When the fuel level is very low, or the fuel warning light is blinking, and the car is parked on a slope for an extended period, the remaining fuel in the tank may shift to one side due to the angle of the vehicle. Since the fuel pump is typically located at a specific position in the fuel tank, usually at the lowest point when the car is on level ground, it may no longer be submerged in fuel if the car is tilted. As a result, when you try to start the engine, the fuel pump may be unable to supply fuel to the engine, causing the engine to fail to start.